We will use Biosyn sutures for illustration purposes. Biosyn exhibits a moderate degree of memory upon removal from its packaging. This memory is easily overcome via linear stretching. Be careful not to directly stress the suture at its swage point. We'll now use a suture tie board to tie a couple of variations of square knots, as might be used in a clinical patient. In this first example, we place 2 suture throws as if to form a square knot. We pause at the end of the second throw in order to view the resulting knot from a magnified perspective. It is obvious that a hole exists within the forming square knot. This hole does not disappear when we alternately stress and relax the suture ends. It is only when sufficient force is applied to cause the material to deform that the hole disappears and a stable knot is formed. This phenomenon is known as plastic deformation. With only 2 throws placed, this knot is not yet secure. However, a third throw locks this knot to preclude slippage. An additional throw may be added, but is not absolutely necessary. Let's look at another technique. Here we apply 2 suture throws in a loose fashion, followed by a third throw. As with our previous example, sufficient tension should be applied to cause it to undergo plastic deformation. The resulting knot will then deform in such a manner to allow maximum friction between the incorporated strands to form a stable and secure knot.